Hey everyone, this is Shukesh Banik and you are watching Gadgets Portal Play. Today in this video I'll show you 10 must-have applications for all the Android users, and all of these applications are available free on the Google Play Store. Well, the first application you should get is an app killer. There is a direct option for killing all of your running applications which are eating up a lot of your battery and also your processing power. So you should click this button now and then, and there are a few applications that cannot be closed like this Apps2SD, Google Plus, etc., because these are system applications, and you are also getting the idea about what are the applications running in the background all the time. So if some of these applications are not necessary, then you should uninstall these. And if you want to close any application, don't just hit the home button, you should close them manually, and this thing will help you increase the battery backup and also the CPU power. You can also press and hold the home and kill all of your running and recent applications if you are using ICS or Jelly Bean. The next app you should get is an antivirus. There are plenty of these available free on the Google Play Store. I have installed this AVG free, and there are plenty of things you are getting on this software like the virus protection, performance enhancement, anti-theft service, and also privacy protection. Under this virus protection, you are getting this full phone scan option here, and you should do this now and then. There is also a schedule scan option here, so you can also use this feature, and you are also getting a lot of other options including this text message scan, and it is also necessary sometimes. Now under this performance, you are getting 4 options. Task Killer is to kill unnecessary applications. This is for increasing the battery backup. This is for monitoring data usage, and this is for monitoring the storage. I have already shown you what is Task Killer all about, and here under the battery consumption, you are getting the duration of services ran on your phone, and from this option, which is very important, you are getting the list of applications or settings that eat up a lot of battery backup. So you should uncheck if these are not necessary. For example, the auto rotation is on and you should turn it off if not necessary. From this option, you are getting an idea about where your battery power is draining. From here you can get an idea about what are the applications using your data services, and you can also check whether there is any spam software using your data services or internet, and you can uninstall these. From here you can monitor the storage uses and also uninstall unnecessary applications from here. You can also register for this anti-theft service where you can get an idea about the location of your stolen or lost device via Google Maps. Now here in the privacy, you are getting a lot of cool options, like you can set password to your applications and also backup your apps, though these two are not free. Well, the next application I am going to show you is called Lightflow, and this may look a little bit new to some of you, but this is a must-have application for all the Android devices, especially those ones having LED lights, and especially a multicolored LED light like this Galaxy Note 2. And with the help of this application, you can customize your notifications with different notification colors, with different vibration patterns and also different sounds. From here you can activate different types of notifications, and here you are getting is the list of colors available for your notification LED. You can set different colors for your different notifications and also set different durations, which is pretty handy. From here you can set different LED flash rate, which is again pretty cool. You can also use your camera flash as the notification LED if you don't have any. From here you can control the notification sounds, and there are a couple of settings you are getting, including this override silent mode, which is pretty handy sometimes. From here you can control the sound repetition and set different frequencies. You can also control the vibration, and you can set different patterns for your different notifications so that you can guess what type of notification you have even when you have your phone inside your pocket. And from here you can also customize the vibration duration, which is pretty cool again. and from here you can also enable repeating vibration on your phone and also control a lot of settings. From this option you can set different notification patterns for your different contacts. Well, the next application you should get is MX Player, which can handle almost all the video formats available, and the user interface, the options, the video handling by this player is very good. Let me show you. Well, in this video player, video can be played only in the landscape mode, and you can control a lot of settings on the video player just by swiping your finger over the video player. You can control the brightness on the left side and also control the volume on the right hand side, and you're also getting some extra volume option. So these things are very useful and also very intuitive. You are also getting this lock option, which will disable any touch on the display, even on the capacitive keys and the home key. You can control the audio tracks from here, which is useful for dual audio movies, and you can change the decoder from here. You can fast forward the video and also rewind just by swiping your finger over the video horizontally. So these things are very useful and you should get this player. It is available free on the Google Play Store. The next application I am going to show you is called AndroZip, and it is actually a file manager, but there are a lot of settings you are getting. You are getting folder view of your applications just like your PC, and from this apps option you can actually backup your applications installed in this phone. This backup will actually save the APK files of your installed applications to your internal or external SD storage, and you can share this with your friends via Bluetooth. From the option menu you are also getting a lot of other options, including the task manager, and you can also open compressed zip files using this software. The next application I am going to show you is called Bluetooth File Transfer, which can be used to send any kind of file format, including applications, games, etc. after taking backup using AndroZip. So this is another must-have application for all the Android users. You can send a whole folder with this application, and the receiving handset does not need to have this software. The next application you should get is Apps to SD, which will help you to move your installed applications to your external SD storage, and you can also clear the cache memory from here. And this application may not work on a lot of devices running on ICS, Jelly Bean, etc., and also specifically Samsung devices. If your device is running on ICS or Jelly Bean, you can move your installed applications from your primary storage to your internal SD storage, but not your external memory card. Well, the next app you can get is a torrent client. You must already know what are torrents, and the app I am using is called tTorrent. You can add torrent files from this option over here. You can search for any movie, any file, and also any application. Here is a list of available torrents at this moment, and let me add one. Here is the torrent downloading. Let me show you some handy options. First of all, here on the network settings you can set Wi-Fi only option, and you can also set the download and the upload limit. One thing I should mention here is that torrent files may contain virus, and you should be very careful. The next application you should get is WhatsApp. A lot of you people must be already using this. This is just like text messaging, but this software uses internet. From here you can check which people in your contacts using this software. Along with the text, you can also add smileys, pictures, and also a lot of other icons. You can also add images from camera and also from your gallery, and also add audio, maps, location, etc. And you can also change the background of this user interface. Well, the last application you should get is Skype, and you must already know what is this software all about. You can make video calls using internet, and you have to just register with your email ID, or you can use your Microsoft account. And if your phone doesn't feature any front camera like the one here, then you can use the rear camera for video calling. and you can obviously make audio calls as well. Well friends, that's all in this video. I haven't shown you softwares like Facebook, Gmail, etc. because most of the time you get those softwares pre-installed into your devices, and there are obviously a lot of other handy softwares like this available on the Google Play Store, and I'll upload more videos like this in near future. So don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets Portal Play, and also keep in touch. You can also check my Facebook page, facebook.com/gadgetsportal, and also the original review channel at youtube.com/gadgetsportal. Visit gadgetsportal.in for the direct download links, and also check the description for that. You can also check the channel for the other videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.